This is the video tutorial for the roofing contractor template creator. Once you unzip your file, you're going to get an icon that looks like this. You're simply going to double click on it. You will be prompted just like this. Hit yes. You will see that this is the installer for the roofing contractor template, software version 1.1. Your version may be different if I've made any improvements to it. So click the next button, next, next, and I'm going to have it on my desktop. I'm going to click next and then install. And just in a few seconds here, my roofing template software is ready to go. You'll see an icon just like this one. So I'm going to double click on that. Here's my little opening message. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and this is what your roofing template software looks like. So the business name, I can put Leakman Roofing. I'm just going to go through this real quick and show you how this all works. You'll have a tutorial video up here in the help area. There's links to other PLR packs up here in the very top. But all you're going to be simply doing is entering your details in the top line, and you have hints and tips here at the bottom. They're pretty self-explanatory, so the hints and tips probably are not even relevant at this time. So you simply click the next button and you go to the next set of details, and as I do this, again, I am just making up some information here so you can see what this does. Business email, hit the next button, enter all the details, and all these details can be found usually on a Google Plus page. Now this would be the business website would be if they have a main website address. If not, this is why you're trying to contact them, so you can sell them this. Now your iframe embed code from YouTube, and what I like to do, I'm simply going to put in a roofing video. It's the version that comes with this package. I've uploaded it to YouTube already, and as you can see, it needs to be 540 by 405. So I'm just going to change the dimensions, and you can play with the dimensions if you want a different looking sized video, but I just feel that that's probably the biggest that you can make it is 540 by 405. Click the next button. Now your autoresponder code. Now your autoresponder code can be any code that you, or any autoresponder that you use. Now I use Aweber, so all I'm going to do is simply put in the JavaScript version of my Aweber form that I've already created. Now if you're using another autoresponder like GetResponse or MailChimp, they each have their own different sets of form code. So you're gonna have to play with this a little bit. But if you're an Aweber user, I just simply created my form and then grabbed the JavaScript, and you should be able to just go ahead and put that right in here. But there's plenty of room here if your autoresponder requires you to add just a long piece of code. So if in normal fashion, as you look on my screen here, this is the Aweber form that the Aweber form generator spits out. Now I don't really need all of this. I just am simply going to put in my JavaScript version here. So just wanted to show you that real quick. And then here you can put some keywords. So I can put something like Buena Park Roofing Contractor, or Roofing Contractor Orange County, something like that, just for SEO purposes. And then I'm going to hit next, and then my meta description here, you're going to want to put something that describes the business and what this website is. So just be creative and put just a little line, if you need help with your roof, Leakman Roofing can help. We can be call today at, and then just put the phone number in there, etc. I'm not going to put I don't even know what phone number I put in earlier, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip that. But I'm going to click the Finish button. I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder on my desktop called Leakman Template Final. Go ahead and select that. You can see it's highlighted. Click OK. Now all my files are going to be created inside of the Leakman Template Final. So I click OK. Now what I want to do is I want to save this also. So Leakman Template. Okay, in case I have to make any changes or anything, I can easily just go into my folder and I'll have it saved here, and it'll save the software type of file. So I'll show you that in just a second. So let me get rid of that. Now here's my folder that was created. I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, all my template files are in here along with my Leakman template.sav file. So that's going to be used if I want to open up my software at a later time and change any information. Okay, but I just want to show you the templates here. I'm going to open that up, and I can show you that this template was created here. As you can see, the autoresponder code fit in here nicely. Okay, just by me putting in my script. The video is, fits right in there. So that, as you can see, this is the sample video that comes with the program. Pause that. In here, Leakman Roofing knows your roof is a big investment, and it fills in the business name all over the place. So that's a good thing. You have articles here for additional resources, and it has the business name all over, along with a nice little area down here that has the email address and also the phone number. And there's also a contact us page that is all filled out. There's the phone number. The email is already linked. I could click on that and it'll open up my browser default email. So you can click on the home page or click on the banner up here, the header, and it'll take you right back home, and the navigation is right here on the right side. And that's pretty much it. As you can see on the very bottom, there's a call to action. Oops. There's a call to action there for, I don't think I can squeeze it up that high. So, but down at the bottom here, there's a phone number and the email address. So as you can see, in under 5 minutes and showing you step by step, I created this. So pretty easy. I got all the information, most of it, from Google Plus. You can see I did a search in Buena Park, California, and as you can see, there's one here, there's another one here, roofing contractor, there's another one here. If I change my location, let me go to Norwalk. There's one here, Southwest Roofing, doesn't have one. Christian Brothers, I don't know if that's a roofing company, but it might be. Certified Roofing, no website. There's plenty of leads. Let me change the location again. Let's go to Pico Rivera, California. Alright, and let's see, there's one here, there's one here, so one here, Specialty Roof Company. So there's plenty of leads around. Just go ahead and make them a nice looking website and put in all their business information, and you might land a deal. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps you use the software. Again, if there's any questions, go ahead and send an email to support@offlineplrvault.com.